I was honestly not ready to do this video, guys, considering that the apartment itself it's not fully furnished, hence you can hear kind of an echoey sound, but we are not here for that. We are here to give out all the information that you need to know if you're buying an apartment, if you're furnishing your apartment, anything related to it. Guys, grab some paper and a pen and let's talk. In this video, what you're gonna see? You're gonna see me going for furniture shopping, all the shops that I've been, prices, pretty much anything that you need to know. As well, I'll show you video clips of all the works that have been going on into the apartment, anything that happened along the way, the good and the bad side, people that have been using, recommendations, tips and tricks, everything. The very first thing that I would like to say is I choose to live in the south part of Malta, guys, and I'm just gonna tell you like this, I live now in the countryside. After living for 7 years into the busy areas of Malta, the central area, I can proudly say the best decision that I have done in my life is to move to the countryside. It's so peaceful, it's so quiet. Listen. There is nothing, you can't hear anything, and I'm so happy about this place. Ever since I moved in 14th of March of this year 2022, it really brought me into another dimension in my life and I couldn't be more happier. So whoever would like to have more peace and quiet and have a really relaxing life, countryside in the south part of Malta is the place to be. Ta-da! Now the thing that you can see in the screen already is the kitchen at the background. The kitchen that you can see with the framing, it's only like I would say 50% of what you can see, half of the kitchen. Guys, the kitchen I ordered it from Style Furniture and I'm so happy with the service that I got. The kitchen itself is an Italian kitchen. If you are living in Malta or planning to buy an apartment here in Malta and you need to furnish it, you have two options. Either to find your furniture locally or to do your furniture abroad. However, there is a risk which is called shipping. Now, what happened with me personally, I'll be very honest with you and straight to the point. Considering that this kitchen have been arriving from Italy, upon shipping, the dining table that is attached with the cooking island, it broke apart. Thank God Style Furniture were so professional to order the table straight away. It arrived in a couple of weeks and as soon as everything was installed, I was honestly so happy with the results. Now, why did I choose this type of kitchen? I wanted to be extremely minimalistic. I wanted to have the beige color and another cool tone which is going to keep everything to look so clean, but to break the monotony of it, I can decorate with any kind of style that I like, and I pretty like this Scandinavian style. The kitchen itself, at the moment, it's not completely ready. I'm going to install a wine cellar between the cooking island and the back of the kitchen on the wall there, and I want you guys to tell me which of these two, whether it's the iron one or the wooden one, you prefer more. I personally would go for the wooden one, but I want you guys to tell me what do you think. The next thing that I would like to talk about is the bathroom. The bathroom, I ordered it from Blaugrana Ceramics. I was so happy with their professionalism as well that after having an amazing main bathroom, I decided to order the ensuite for my master bedroom as well. It should arrive in about 10 days once I'm doing this video. So into the next updated video, you will see how that bathroom looks like. Obviously, I'm not gonna go much into details to show you pretty much everything because I believe that bathroom and a bedroom are kind of more private and intimate areas in the apartment, but I'll be inserting several clips that I want you guys to see. Next, very important that I would like to really dedicate time talking is the gypsum ceiling. The gypsum ceiling has been done by CMF Gypsum Design. Chris and his fiancée Marcella had such a huge vision for this apartment, so am I, and somehow both parties combined together and we created something that I would forever be thankful for. The gypsum over here in this apartment, guys, turned the apartment into a completely other level. Ever since I saw it 2 years ago on bricks and I saw how much light there is inside, I decided to make the gypsum ceiling to look absolutely stunning, especially during night time. As you can see on the overlay, we do have spotlights and we have lowered ceilings in several areas where we are going to insert a rope light. When it comes to the rope light, unfortunately at the moment it's still not ready because the rope light, I'm ordering it from Italy because it is a mechanism that works through your phone and it's connected with the Wi-Fi. It took me a little bit of time to find exactly what I wanted here in Malta, so the shipment is still being done. However, with the spotlights itself, I'm getting that kind of sophisticated and elegant side. The work that Chris did is 10 out of 10. Whoever is in Malta, I'm gonna link down in the description of this video their Facebook page. Give them a follow, check their work. I cannot thank enough of everything that has been done over here. I'm just keep on staring at the ceiling. It looks amazing. He was giving so many different ideas that I wanted to make the gypsum ceiling to be good even for the next 10 years, especially when it comes to design. So we did this beautiful wave in the living room that I can't wait to have the rope lights completely ready. And I'm gonna keep this for the next video because I want you guys to see how this will look at night. The curtains that I got are from Your Blinds Malta, and I couldn't be more happier how they turned out, the color of it. Now you can see the mechanism how it looks like. It's basically half curtain and half blind from the same material. And depending how you're gonna twist them, you will either have everything blocked out or you're going to have the light coming through the curtain. All the companies are going to be listed down in the description of this video. Check them out, guys. If you need some furniture, especially if you need someone to do your gypsum, look no further. That's it. I'm not gonna say more about that. Look no further. Chris and Marcella, if there is a scale from 1 to 10, I'll give them 1,000,000. That's it. Now the last thing that I would like to talk about, guys, is the furniture shopping. I went into JB Stores, Zara Home, Homemade, Atrium and JYCK or Yisk. From all these 5 different places, I did got something for the apartment. Some of them were more expensive, some of them were more affordable. And now I'm gonna put some overlay and I'll be talking about what did I find. In JB Stores, guys, you will find the most affordable prices for pretty much anything that you need for your apartment. However, in my opinion, in my taste, let's say out of 100 items, I was able to find only 20 that I really liked. However, from the other side, when I went to JYCK, out of 100, I found 80 items that I really liked. Zara Home, there is always some beautiful decor over there. However, they're having their prices either double or triple from any other place that you can find. In Zara Home, for example, I got my cutleries. They were more on the affordable side and I'm so happy how they look like, especially with the design of my kitchen. Now, when it comes to the plates that I have in my apartment, they're from Atrium and I really like that I found them on a deal and they costed me, I'll be honest with you, 98 euros for a set of 8. And the table mats, I got them from JYCK. So basically you can see now in the overlay how my kitchen looks like, and these are all from different suppliers, but look at the color scheme, how everything turns out. Now whoever likes Scandinavian style, you'll find pretty much everything in JYCK. As well in Zara Home, but Zara Home has, let's say, different styles. It has Bohemian style, Scandinavian style, more minimalistic style, pretty much everything. But the prices here in Malta are way more expensive. From the other hand, something that I really liked is Atrium. Atrium has everything. They even sell kitchens and living rooms and bedrooms. They have a huge store over here and it's owned by the same who has Homemade. Homemade, it's more, let's say, on the affordable side. But in Atrium, the selection is wider and the items that they have, in my opinion, were way more better. I think we should wrap up the video over here. I hope you guys enjoyed it and you got kind of an idea of where to go and what to do and how much the prices are. I want you guys in the comment section of this video to write down all the questions that you have when it comes to apartments here in Malta, and I'll be answering them in the next video. And no, it's not going to be 3 months from now. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like it down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos about Malta, and until I see you in my next one. Bye!